Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to decorate a wine glass with a picture of a strawberry, because it is already spring season and nearly it's summertime, so we need to drink um, strawberry shake. So we have to decorate our wine glass. This is a wine glass and we will use this one as our drinking glass. So all we need, our material is only this wine glass, serve as our drinking glass, and this is a straw. This straw is only just for display, and we need this scissor, and we need a magazine. I cut out a picture of this strawberry picture from this magazine from the supermarket, from Dinner Supermarket. Okay, so I have already here, I cut out some pieces of this strawberry, then I will show you how it looks like. So I have also here some real strawberry. Okay, so let's start our project. Okay, this is a very easy project. Okay, so this is our wine glass. Okay, just check from any magazine which you can find a picture of strawberry. So I have here, I cut out from this magazine. Okay, look at here. From this magazine I cut out these pictures of this strawberry, and this is from the Dinner Supermarket in Switzerland. So we have this paste. So all you need is to cut out this one from the magazine. Look at here, and just simply put a paste on the back side. Okay, very easy and very simple. Look at here. So just paste it around and just leave a space 1 inch here, so that when you're going to drink it will not touch on the pictures. Okay, so I have here 4 pictures and I will paste it here. Okay, so I have the other one. So this is a very easy project. You can also choose some pictures of the orange or the manga. So this is it. Look at here. It's done. Very easy. So you can use this one as your drinking glass for your strawberry shake. So this is our straw. You can put in here. Look, this is the straw. You can use 3, 2 or 1, and this is it. Very simple, and now it looks beautiful. Then you can fill it. I have here fresh strawberry. Look, fresh sarti means fresh. So I will fill in here in this jar, in this wine glass. Okay, look at here. Fill it inside. So okay, I feel it already, and look at here, we have already filled with a strawberry. And look at here, look, very beautiful now. So this is our project, very easy. A strawberry glass full of fresh strawberry. So this is it, look at here, this is our strawberry drinking glass filled with fresh strawberry. Okay, so that is a very easy project. So I hope you learn on how to decorate a very simple thing in order to make your drinking glass beautiful. Okay, so thanks for joining me in this tutorial, a very easy tutorial. So enjoy your strawberry shake. Okay, so see you again in my next tutorial. Dankeschön at maraming salamat. Happy weekend to everyone. Bye bye, see you then.